Hello YouTube, I am Joe. Today we are going to look at the Irwin Slip Grip. How many of you have one of these that slip on you? That's about to end really quick. You don't need any parts, you don't even have to clean anything. All we're doing today is we're going to knock out a roll pin. Alright, yours is going to look like this. When you start, you're going to knock that little guy out the end. So it's simple, get yourself a bang stick. Put this off the edge of something, continue the banging until it's flush. Once it's flush, grab yourself a small pin of some kind, maybe it's a nail, I don't know what it is. Bang on that then until the roll pin comes out. Save that roll pin, you will need it in a few minutes. Next you're going to take off the actual badging and be careful, these little pins bust super easy. So all you need to do is grab something that's flat and sharp. This works really good. And go underneath your edges. Don't pry one side all the way at one time. Give it a double pry. Oh, that one might have broke. Got to be really careful doing this. Oh, they're still on. Good. Next, simply slide the trigger, hold your finger on the spring. Slide the trigger, pull this piece out. Next, you're going to get a hold of the spring from behind, weasel that out of there. This metal piece now just has wear on it. You can see in the bottom of here, I'm going to get it to glint. There you go. That glint is the wear mark. We need that edge to be razor sharp from the day it was punched. So we're just going to turn it around. So now your witness marks of the 3 wear marks, those are now going to be in back. And the round mark is going to be towards the front. Those witness marks have changed. You're perfectly good to go. We have it flipped around. Make sure you have your slot up. And if this comes out, no big deal. It goes in easy. It shouldn't come out though if your other side's on. Pop your spring in. Simple as that. Now, look through and see that you have proper alignment before you even stick the other part in. If you have good alignment, excellent. Jam the next part in. And you're all ready to go. You've got yourself a brand new vice grips that you didn't think was fixable. That quick, that easy. 3 minutes, you're good to go. Pop your roll pin back in. That's as simple as get the roll pin started by putting it on something flat. Hold the roll pin with a little needle nose. Give it a tap with a bang stick to get it started. Then put it off the edge of a desk and continue tapping till it's halfway. That is if you want yours in. Most people do. You guys let me know what you think. You've got yourself a brand new vice grip. Take care.